Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool edit on Canva. So you're just going to go to draw, and you're just going to draw like a lot of blobs on the, I'm just going to like select pink for the color and use this brush here. I can just use it. And you're just going to draw some blobs. To change the color, just change it here. And just like draw like really random blobs. It's totally up to you. And once you're done, you're just going to export it as an image. And I've done that just now. So once you've exported it, just go to upload and select that colorful blob. Go to edit photo and select blur, and you're going to blur it out. Maybe like up to 80–90%. I'm just going to leave it like that. Then go back to elements, and I'm just going to go to graphics first. Here, I'm going to go to shapes, and I'm going to add in this kind of shape. And then I'm also just going to adjust the border weight. I'm just going to use the white one, and I'm going to make the inside transparent like so. I'm also going to add this for the text. You can add anything you want, of course, but I'm just going to use this as the example, and I'm also going to change that to the white text effect. Maybe adjust the transparency just a little bit so it doesn't clash that much. And you can even add in like other shapes, like maybe like the star ones here. Like that. Once you're done, you're going to find paper texture in graphics or photos, and you're just going to apply it on top of the text here and adjust the transparency a little bit. If you want the text to show, just add it behind the text, but if you can, just layer it and select bring to front so it adds the texture to everything, and make sure you adjust the transparency a little bit so you can still see the text. And you'll have this really cute picture. You can even, I don't really like the shape here, so I might just delete that. I don't know if I like it or not actually, so I'm just going to add that on. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!